Hi, my name is Christian Grant, and thank you for watching our demo on Madden, Query-Driven Statistical Text Analytics. This demo is from our paper from the Conference on Knowledge and Information Management in 2012. In this demo, I'll show you how to use a relational database to drive text analytics. We can use the SQL interface to perform complicated tasks over structured and unstructured data. And we can also take advantage of the parallelism by using a database such as Greenplum. So on the screen on the left, I have my Madden database interface. And on the right, I just have some notes to help drive this demo. So let's look at some data sets we have. First, we have some Connell data sets that we'll see in the second part. In addition, we have NFL plays, that's National Football plays, and National Football League recaps from the 2011 season. We also have 24 million tweets from the National Football League that we scraped in the 2011 season. Given this data, let's think about some questions we can ask. One question may be, give me 5 comments about Tim Tebow with a negative sentiment. Now, to solve this, we may want to build a maximum entropy classifier using some tweets, bring all our data out, train the data, then retrain the data, and try and fail. Another thing we can do is use our database. So if we look around on the internet enough, you'll find some smart guys at Stanford built sentiment140.com, which is just an API that does sentiment analysis. And they built their model on tweets, which is perfect for us. So what we can do is create a function that uses this API to perform the sentiment analysis tasks. So here I have one already written, and I'll paste it into the screen. I call the function cgrant sentiment. It takes some text, and as you can see, this language is PL Python. But it acts like SQL. So all this does is it reads the API, it sends a text sentence that you send in, and returns minus, plus, or little 0 for neutral. Let's create the function. Now let's try and run the function. Say select star from cgrant sentiment. Let's put a nice sentence. I like Tim Tebow. He is my favorite quarterback. I love him. Maybe not so much, but he's my favorite quarterback. Positive sentiment, that works. Now let's try for negative sentiment. Select star from cgrant sentiment. I hate Tim Tebow. He is the worst quarterback in the NFL. Run it. Wait a second. And we have negative sentiment. So it passes our sanity test. Now let's merge this with the data we have already stored in the tweets table. We can write a function like select cgrant sentiment using wtext, which is the text table in the tweets, the text column in the tweets table. Tweets, and let's limit it at 5. And we also want to see what text we're running sentiment analysis on, so let's do comma TW text. So we're building this using a declarative interface. We didn't have to reprogram anything. So as you can see, we have some neutral, we have a negative. Oh, that's just a dash. We have some neutral, and a positive is happy birthday, I hope you had an awesome day, and the Falcons get the win. So there's a lot of junk in here, so let's look for something about Tim Tebow. We can do that by saying, using the where clause, say where TW text, oops,